Hello, good afternoon. This is Dipesh here. I have completed Bachelor of Business Administration in Major Management Information Systems and MBA in Management Information Systems, and then I did my second MBA from Bangalore University in Major IT and System Marketing. After that, I got a campus placement and shifted to Qatar. There, I was working for last 8 years in project management role. I was dealing with the system development life cycle, testing, business analyst, system analyst, requirement gathering, mobilization of the team, development of the software, various project management related activities. And I have an 8 years of extensive experience on the domain of information technology management, information technology project management, unit testing, system testing, load testing, requirement gathering, application analysis, system analysis, business analysis. My core is I'm very good at working in under pressure with a good. I'm a very good team player. In Qatar, when I was working, I was having managing 15 countries, various kinds of projects like for the oil and gas industries, also for education industry, also for sports tech industry, also edutech also. And recently I shifted to Bangladesh. Here also I am working in one of the ERP solutions company as a senior project manager. Here I am working with one of the largest bank here, with one of the largest business conglomerate here, and I'm working from the after awarding of the projects, starting with the requirement gathering, business requirement document preparation, functional requirement document preparation, then software requirement specification preparation, SRS. After that, working with the test team for the test case preparation, validation, preparation, testing, and then testing in our server, and then if it is successful, then it is in the client server, and then after that UAT, user acceptance test, then system integration testing, and then make a plan of deployment, and then soft launch. If we do also VAPT, vulnerability assessment and penetration testing also, and then we do the go live. So we follow a very rigorous methodology. Generally, I follow my last 8 years of job experience. I followed Agile methodology. Waterflow methodology I generally don't follow, but it depends on the project. But I personally prefer Agile because there are a lot of iterative tasks and you can work parallelly, so that customer also is happy and he can see the development stage, and he can track the projects very carefully. Also, it gives positive vibes to the client that yes, my vendor is doing something, working something, and delivering something. And I always believe in teamwork, because when I was working in the large ERP implementation or IT implementation or software development projects, I have seen, as I have to work with a lot of team, like I have to work with technology lead, system analyst, business analyst, tester, software developer, front end, back end, full stack. So if you are good at managing your team and very good at documentation, then the project delivery is very easy. If there is any kind of issues also created, you can resolve those issues with following proper governance structure, which helps you a lot to minimize the project risks. Yeah, it doesn't mean that your project is going always smoothly. When we got the tender, or when we review the scope, they only write only 10 lines or 20 lines. But when we are going to implement, or we are going to take the requirement, then that time that's 10 lines converted into 100 lines. There are a lot of new things, there are a lot of new requirements may come, so you have to handle that tactfully. Yes, if it is under your scope, although you did not understand initial stage, but later you have to compromise and convince, and you have to deliver it in a perfect way so that you can make your client happy. At the end of the day, client is a king, so we have to satisfy the client and then develop the software according to his or her requirement. So thank you. Looking forward to working with your team, and I would like to contribute as a effective team member so that my personal goal and institutional goal both can be achieved, and we will be reach a pinnacle of success together. Thank you. Have a nice day.